The holiday season in Flower Mound is a time of celebration, togetherness, and festive decorations. While many homeowners love the tradition of hanging Christmas lights, the hassle of putting them up and taking them down each year can be exhausting. That's why more homeowners are turning to permanent Christmas lights, a long-term investment that saves time, enhances curb appeal, and brings holiday cheer year after year. If you're considering a way to elevate your home's holiday decor without the annual hassle, here's why permanent Christmas lights are a perfect investment for future holiday seasons in Flower Mound. Convenience. Say goodbye to annual installation. One of the biggest advantages of permanent Christmas lights is eliminating the need to climb ladders, untangle wires, and spend hours installing lights every holiday season. Once installed, these lights remain in place year-round, ready to be turned on with just the press of a button or a smartphone app. No more struggling with tangled cords or paying for professional installation each year. Permanent lighting saves you time, effort, and stress. Customizable for any occasion. Unlike traditional holiday lights, permanent LED lighting systems offer a wide range of customization options. Homeowners in Flower Mound can choose from millions of colors, animated patterns, and brightness settings to create the perfect ambiance. These lights aren't just for Christmas. They can be used for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and New Year's celebrations, birthday parties and special events, sporting events to showcase team spirit, patriotic holidays like the 4th of July. With year-round flexibility, permanent Christmas lights become an all-in-one solution for home lighting needs. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Modern permanent Christmas lights use LED technology, making them far more energy efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs. LED lights consume up to 80% less energy, helping homeowners in Flower Mound reduce their electricity bills. Additionally, they last significantly longer, often 50,000 hours or more, so there's no need to replace burnt-out bulbs every season. By investing in permanent holiday lighting, homeowners enjoy both long-term savings and a reduced environmental impact. Enhanced curb appeal and increased property value. A well-lit home stands out in the neighborhood, especially during the holidays. Permanent Christmas lights enhance curb appeal, making your home look festive, elegant, and welcoming. Plus, if you ever decide to sell your home, potential buyers may see permanent lighting as a valuable feature that adds convenience and luxury. Weather-resistant and durable. Flower Mound experiences a variety of weather conditions, from hot Texas summers to occasional winter freezes. Permanent outdoor lighting is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. These professional-grade systems are UV-resistant, preventing fading or discoloration from the sun, waterproof, ensuring performance during rain and storm, securely installed, so they stay in place even in strong wind. With a durable system in place, homeowners can trust that their lights will remain functional and beautiful year after year. Smart technology for easy control. Modern permanent Christmas lights come with smart control options, allowing homeowners to operate them with ease. Many systems include smartphone apps with timers, color adjustments, and preset themes. Voice control integration with Alexa or Google Home. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for remote operation. With smart features, homeowners can change colors, create light shows, or turn the lights on and off from anywhere. Safety benefits. Hanging holiday lights each year can be dangerous, especially when working on tall ladders. By installing permanent lighting, homeowners eliminate the risk of falls, electrical mishaps, or tangled wires. Additionally, LED lights generate less heat, reducing the risk of overheating or fire hazards. Why now is the best time to invest in permanent Christmas lights? With the increasing popularity of permanent Christmas lighting in Flower Mound, more homeowners are making the switch to this smart, long-lasting, and hassle-free solution. Whether you want to enhance your home's holiday spirit or enjoy versatile lighting for year-round events, permanent Christmas lights offer a stunning and practical investment. If you're ready to make the switch, consult with a local professional installer in Flower Mound to explore design options and get a custom installation. With durability, energy efficiency, and year-round usability, permanent Christmas lights are a bright idea for your home's future holiday celebrations.